What's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Today, I'd like to talk about the exciting world of composting. I also have an awesome deal alert to share with the family. Stand by, y'all. So let's get into it, family. Let's get into it. You know, compost is composed of mainly four components. You have your nitrogen, your carbon, your water, and your air. Oh yeah, fam. So you know the first component required for an awesome compost is nitrogen, or what is also known as greens. You know, greens provide the protein for the active organisms, in your compost mix. So some examples include table scraps, chicken and rabbit manure, coffee grounds, tea leaves, grass clippings, and even seaweed, y'all. Oh, yeah. So family, here I have a example of some of the greens that I use. As you can see here, I have the grass clippings. Also have some kitchen scraps or table scraps here. Even have old coffee filter and a few coffee grounds, y'all. Oh yeah. So that's the first component, nitrogen, y'all. Next up, family, we have the second ingredient. Yeah, the second ingredient is carbon, y'all, or what is commonly known as browns. Yeah. So the browns are your carbon, supply the energy for the organisms, in your composting mix. So some examples of carbon include leaves, straw, hay, pine needles, wood chips, and even cardboard, y'all. I have also added corn cobs as well, y'all. So that's the second ingredient, family. The second ingredient is carbon. Next up, y'all, we have the third component. And the third component is good old H2O, y'all. Yeah, we have the water. So, the compost should remain humid throughout the composting process. And about a 50% humidity, is ideal. So a rule of thumb for maintaining proper humidity, in your compost mix, is to literally grab and squeeze a handful of compost, y'all. If a few drops are released, you probably have some pretty good compost. Yeah. And finally, y'all, the final required component is air. All the microorganisms, the bugs, the mushrooms, and other creatures that aid in the composting process, they all need oxygen, y'all. So this can be accomplished by manually turning your compost pile or acquiring a tumbling composter, y'all. Oh yeah. So those are the four main components, of compost: nitrogen, carbon, water, and air. So this brings me to today's deal alert, y'all. Oh yeah. So family, I was in Aldi's today, and I found this garden line tumbling composter, y'all. Oh yeah, check it out, family. Yeah. So I've been looking at these composters for quite a while, y'all, and I just hadn't pulled the trigger. But today, family, today I was in Aldi, and I ran up on these composters for $12 a piece, y'all. Oh yeah, they were $12 a piece. So family, these garden line tumbling composters are, pretty easy to assemble. They come with easy to understand directions, and they're made of quality materials. Yeah, family. So they hold about 15 and a half gallons of compost, and they even come with a 2-year warranty, y'all. Oh yeah. So family, I appreciate all the support. I really, really do. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.